What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day today. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and make sure you hit that subscribe button because I am doing a 500 subscriber bundles giveaway. Make sure that you guys checked out that video so you can make sure that you fully qualify for that giveaway. But as you guys can see, today's video is going to be a goddess faux loc tutorial. It is very simple, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. You're gonna need 5 packs of Cuban twist hair, and you'll need about 3 packs of the crochet hair. I'll go ahead and drop 2 pictures for you guys so y'all have a closer look on what you need. You guys also need this jam, a crochet needle, and a lighter and a comb, of course. So first things first is we're going to go ahead and part off the first section of hair, and we're going to put some jam on it, and we're going to part it again to get the part more defined. Now these will be square parts, but you guys can also do triangle parts if you choose to do so. The next thing you want to do is go ahead and comb that through, and then you're going to go ahead and start parting off your actual square parts. Once that is done, you want to just go ahead and braid your client's hair. You need no weave or anything. You just go ahead and start braiding her actual natural hair. After that, you just want to go ahead and continue with this step. So if you guys have been watching my videos, you know that I'm not trying to bore y'all. So of course I'm not going to show y'all me doing a million braids. But this is how the end result was. And after that, you want to go ahead and moisturize your client's scalp and her hair, since it's going to be locked in the faux locs. So now it is time for the fun yet tedious process. Really? Y'all, I'm sorry. We got a new puppy yesterday, and her name is Bella, and I will be introducing her to you guys very soon. But if you hear some barking / squeaking in the background, that is my new baby Bella. So the next step that you want to do is go ahead and grab one of the Bob Marley hair, and then you want to grab one piece of the curly hair, and you're going to put them together. The next step that you're going to do is grab that crochet needle and stick it through the top of the braid like so, and then you're going to put the 2 pieces of hair in the hook, and you're going to close it, and then you're going to go ahead and slide that through. The next step that you want to do is separate one piece of the Marley hair, and you're going to make that your long piece, and then you're going to make the other pieces of Marley hair shorter, and then you're going to keep the curly pieces as long as you want the faux locks to be. After that, you're going to grab your short piece of the Marley hair and the 2 pieces of curly hair, and you're going to start wrapping your faux lock. You're going to take the long piece of Marley and you're going to start at the top, and you're going to make sure that the hair is kind of spread out so it isn't making like a bumpy effect but a smooth effect. And you're just going to start wrapping, and you want to make sure that you're wrapping very tight because you don't want them to unravel. Pay very close attention to what my hands are doing. I'm using my left hand to throw it around, and I'm using my thumb to bring it back around. So it's really a tedious process, but it's actually pretty simple. It's not hard at all. I got it on my first try when I tried about a year ago, so it's very simple, but it definitely takes some practice if you are not familiar with doing this type of style. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys another one, but this one is going to be one with some of the curly hair left out. It's pretty much the same exact method, so I'm not going to re-explain those steps. But as you guys can see, I am just, repeating those steps. I'm going to go ahead and start wrapping this one. So for the faux locks that you leave the curly pieces out, you're going to stop about right there, and you're going to pull some of the curly piece out, and you're going to move it to the side, and you're going to make sure it doesn't get wrapped back in there, and then you're just going to continue wrapping. It's very simple, guys. I would suggest to make sure that you're doing this very strategically because it can get very messy very fast. You don't want it to look crazy in the end, so you need to kind of be familiar with how to do this a little bit. There's no exact way that I know how to tell you guys how to do it because it honestly varies between each client, but I mean, it's pretty simple. Just kind of picture it in your head before you just start adding a whole bunch of curly pieces in. I'm sorry guys, I didn't get on camera me burning the ends, but burning the ends is very simple. You just want to take that Marley hair and you're going to wrap it all the way down to the bottom, and once you get a little bit, like maybe about an inch of hair left, you're going to start wrapping it upward, and then you're going to take the lighter, and then you're going to just burn that part, and then you're just kind of going to like rub it together and squeeze it together so it'll kind of stick. So right here, I'm just showing you guys one last time me doing a faux lock, just in case if it wasn't a good angle the first time. Just trying to make sure I get different angles for you guys so you can see exactly how to do it. So guys, actually I did get a little clip of how to do the ends here. As you guys can see, I'm just kind of working that little piece back up, and I'm going to get the lighter and I'm just going to go ahead and light it where that piece ended, and I'm just going to squeeze it together. So now that we're done wrapping, we're going to take some of this Nairobi wrapping foam, and you're going to put it all over the faux locks and the curly hair, mainly aiming for the curly hair though. And then you're just going to go ahead and massage that through. So now that that's done, my client wanted them a little shorter, so I'm just taking the scissors and I'm gonna, just go ahead and shape it a little bit and make it shorter to the length that she wanted them to be. So if your client doesn't want them shorter, which not all clients do, you're still going to do this step. You're just going to kind of layer it rather than actually cutting it and making it shorter, because you don't want it all to be like poofy and look all one length and then it just looks really big and messy. So you still want to do this step even if your client doesn't want them shorter. So we are almost done. It is time to lay those edges / baby hairs. You're just going to take some edge control and your edge brush, and you're going to go ahead and swoop those baby hairs. So now we are done, guys. This is the end result and it is absolutely beautiful. They look so great. Like, I was very, very proud of myself. As I always am, not to toot my own horn, but I really do put my blood, sweat, and tears into my work. So this is how it turns out, and she sent me a client selfie. This is her client selfie. She also sent me a very sweet text message that says, "Just wanted to let you know that my husband loves it, my son and his girlfriend loves it. Thanks so much for your hospitality. Wig next. Enjoy your night." And she just finished eating. Now, that was just a conversation that we were talking about what we were going to eat when we were done. But yes, guys, it went great. If you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.